Okay, young ones, this is your skeleton for what I wanted to cover today in class, and we just ran out of time as we were listening to our hearts and other parts of our body. I'd like you to start with the skeleton. You're going to do your best version of my heart drawing over there. Pretty important that you've got 4 chambers. You've got a big anterior splitting vessel, I'm trying hard not to name the vessel, that comes out of the right ventricle and then splits, goes left and right. You want to make certain that you've got your left side over here with the top chamber, which looks abnormally large, but it's just the angle that we're looking at. And then the bottom chamber, really thick muscularity around this left side. It's got 4 small ports where incoming blood is returning from their location into that atrium. Then the blood comes down through this valve and then gets shot out. When the blood leaves, it goes through this opening and comes up through this big giant structure. So you're trying to listen for the names of all these pieces and what these vessels are called, including these valves that are in between the top and the bottom chambers here, and then also inside of these big blood vessels. So this front one and this one has got valves inside that you're going to need to name. So try that. You'll also want to listen for what the systemic loop is and the pulmonary loop. You can use your red and blue pens to draw some arrows. This little guy's just got a heart. This little guy's got a heart and some lungs. You'll want to listen for what the lub and the dub sounds are. Tell me what the lub is, tell me what the dub is, and what's actually causing those sounds. And then the video will end with a little bit about blood pressure. So what you're looking for is something, oopsie-daisies, something that looks a little bit closer to this. But you can't have mine, so that's just a baseline. Thank you and have a great night.